Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. Then choose this icon at the bottom right corner and click Got it. Following that, you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, choose event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, but you can also disable this feature completely by tapping on the sweater next to all day. If you wish to, you can also select Does Not Repeat and select one of those options like every year. I will go with Does Not Repeat though, so I have to click on it, and over here you can add notes, add attachments, change color, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, add people, add video, or even select add location by tapping on this section, choosing while using the app or only this time, typing the correct one, and clicking on it. Then choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then choose save at the top right corner again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to also click on it, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose delete. So sorry, misclick, choose delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!